What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. Today is Sunday, last day of the weekend. So that means we've partied hard Friday and Saturday. We're looking to rest today before we go back into school, work, whatever tomorrow. But today I want to talk about why the rich get richer. Because there are some of you guys out there who are thinking, I want to be rich, I want to make a lot of money. I don't want to go into work on days I don't want to. I don't want to live a life where I feel like I'm a robot doing nothing I like, just kind of existing, letting time go by, not really living the best life. So, like I said, in today's video, we'll talk about why the rich get richer, exactly what they do, why it happens, what they make work, what they do with their time on the weekends. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll become rich. No, that's not going to happen. But hopefully by the end of the video, you'll understand a little bit more about why the rich do get richer and why those who don't have a lot of money stay having not a lot of money. But before we get into that, thumbs up. Please hit that like button. It helps with YouTube algorithm. The last couple of days, you guys have done really well with that. So please keep it up. Keep it going. Don't stop now. Also, please make sure to comment on the video, as you guys always do. Let me know your thoughts on the video. Let me know why you think the rich get richer. Let me know what you guys think you can do better on your weekends. Let me know whatever it is. Just drop in the comment section below. Also, please make sure to hit that red button if you're new around here. Subscribe to the channel. This is the Money Management. I upload a video each and every day about money, finance, business, goals, Monday motivation tomorrow. Just hit the red button, join the channel, help us continue to grow. Lastly, but most importantly, please make sure we're also sharing these videos with our friends. Get them out to more people, help out more people, grow their money, learn more about riches, wealth, all that kind of stuff. But now let's talk about riches, making money. So of course, like I said, today is Sunday. It's a regular day. It's a day of rest. And these are the days where the rich do put in work. Now, the fact that the rich put in work does not mean if you put in work today, you'll get rich. But the fact that the rich put in work should tell you something. Hey, even when it's weekend, I shouldn't take too much time off. I still push for my goals. Because to be honest, today, most people are gonna sit back, relax, not hustle, not grind, not make videos. They're gonna take a time out to chill. They've had a long week. They've probably done a couple of different things this weekend, but they wanna relax before another horrible week. But let's establish some things before we go into that kind of lifestyle and explain that in a few minutes. First of all, the rich, they make money, as you guys do. They make their money. Whether it's 5K a month, 10K a month, 20K a month, they make their money. Now they wanna build their wealth. So to build their wealth, obviously they're making money, but their strategy does not change. I'm telling you, whether it's 10K, 20K, 50K a month, and yes, there are people out there who make 50K a month. Think about the bigger companies. They make their money. And no matter how much they're making, they're continually living below their means, which is a good thing. So living below your means, for those who don't understand, means I make 10K a month, I spend less than 10K a month, a lot less than 10K a month. I live off 7, 8K per month because I cover my expenses with that. I live maybe a nice lifestyle, it doesn't matter. I cover my rent, my expenses, whatever I have, utility bills, food, clothes. I cover all that with 7 to 8K a month. Not because I make 10K that I spend 10K, but I live below my means. That's what living below your means means. Spending a lot less than your earnings, spending a lot less than you make. Now they do that, they make their money, live below their means. So they have a little bit of extra money left over. Like I said, 7 or 8K a month, you've got 2 or 3K left over. They use that money to make more money. They put that money to work. They say to that money, hey, I've been working hard, now it's time for you to work hard. They say to that money, they say, I put in a lot of time to earn you, now you're gonna go out and make some more for me. That's how we work, we're a team. Your money, if you guys have read The Richest Man in Babylon, your money's like soldiers. You send them out to go and work, each dollar, go and do this, go and do that, bring me back some more money, help me out. That's what the rich do. So on their Saturdays, on their Sundays, they're spending time to find ways of making money, or they're spending time of what they're gonna invest in next. But they're managing their investments. They're being smart with their money. They're being smart with their time as well. Now, the rich don't do this once a month, twice a month. This is a daily thing. Working hard for the money, making smart decisions, living below their means, and constantly using that money to make more money for them. So it means on your Sunday, if you're someone who does make a lot of money, first of all, you should be making sure your finances are in check. And when they are, and you see you got that extra money to use, find out what you're gonna do next. If you know you're getting a paycheck next Friday, deduce and pick out what you're gonna be doing with that money. Know what you're gonna be doing with that money. Tomorrow's a new week. Most people, or at least many people that I know, don't like their jobs. They don't enjoy their jobs. They don't want to be a robot for 40, 50 years. They don't want to do the same thing over and over again. They don't want to feel like they're just stuck in the system, not really doing anything, not really being productive, not really living life like a human. And I completely understand that. When it comes to the weekend, what are they doing? Not living below their means, not getting their money to work for them. They're resting, they're taking time off. How do you think that's going to end? Or what do you think is going to come out of that? How do you think your situation will change? You're doing the same thing over and over again. That is why I'm telling you guys. This weekend, today, Sunday, if you have the time, I'm telling you, make the time. Make that time and start doing things to live like the rich. Start being like the rich. Why did the rich get richer? Because they make 5K a month, they make 10K a month. They live below their means. They get their money, the extra money, to work for them. They get the money to use it, to invest. They better themselves. They use that money. They're constantly producing more. That is what I'm saying here. They constantly repeat the cycle. It doesn't matter if they're making 50K a month. They're not going to spend 40K a month just because they're making 50K a month. And if they are spending 40k a month, it's to invest. If their living expenses are 8, 9k, doesn't matter if they're making 10k a month, 20k a month, 50k a month, their expenses are going to stay that way. A lot of the time what you'll see with rich people, they're going to find assets to cover those expenses. Or they're even going to live cheaper and find ways to cut expenses. It's part of being rich. It's a part of the game. You want to become rich. You want to stay rich. Keep getting richer, just like the rich do. You're going to have to do these things. You have to give up a couple weekends. Give up some time. Buy yourself more freedom. Buy yourself more time. Buy yourself more income. Produce things. Don't be the person who's always consuming. Invest your money. It is nice. I'm telling you guys, it's nice to go out on a weekend. Chill, have drinks each and every night, hang out with your friends, do nothing, kick back, watch Netflix, enjoy yourselves, go to the movies. It's all nice. Imagine doing that 5, 6 days of the week. Imagine not having to do that solely on Friday nights and Saturdays. Imagine not having to go on Sunday night and start dreading Monday morning. All this comes from you putting the time and the effort up front. All this comes from you living below your means. If I guarantee you, you live below your means for a solid 15, 20 years, and you continue to do so, and continue to invest your money smart, I'm guaranteeing you'll be financially free eventually. There's no way you're going to continue to not like your life. I guarantee you'll have enough money eventually. You know, there are a lot of you guys who think you don't have enough money. Get to the point where you're making 15, 20k every 5, 6 months, and you're spending only 5 or 10k every 5, 6 months. Get to the point where you're spending a lot less than you make. Get to the point where you're living off your assets. You're living off your income, your different income streams. Get to the point where you don't have to rely on next Friday's paycheck. You don't have to, say, oh, we get paid on Friday. Get to the point where you don't rely on all that. I'm telling you, it's possible. But the rich get richer because they do these things. They're smart with their money. The people who are broke, they stay broke because they can't do these things. They know what it means to live below their means. They're getting paid 5k a month. All right, that means you've got 5k to spend. Yes, some of it will go to expenses, some of it will go to food, rent, parties. But I've got 5k to have fun with because I'm going to get paid 5k next month. That's how poor people think. That's their mindset. The rich think, I get 5k this month. Okay, how little of that can I use for my expenses? How much can I use to invest? How much can I save? How much can I start allocating here? What can I do with the money? How can I start creating those income streams? Of course, money doesn't bring happiness. Having a lot of money doesn't bring happiness. If you have ever had those days where you make a lot of money, it brings a kind of happiness, but just having money in your account doesn't actually make you that happy. I've experienced it. I'm sure you guys have experienced it before. It doesn't, you don't feel exactly different. It might be better than having no money in your account, but it doesn't, necessarily make you excited or anything because you're not doing anything crazy. Get that cash flow, get those income streams, and then get to the part where your lifestyle is every day doing what you want on your own time, wherever you want, whenever you want, doesn't matter where, and you're still living, you're still happy. Get to that point, you realize what money does for you, what it can buy for you in those situations, those vacations, those holiday homes, those gifts for your family, covering those bills, eating in nice restaurants, seeing new sights. When money gets to doing that kind of thing for you, you realize, okay, this is worth it. Grinding on those Sundays was worth it. Grinding on those Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday evenings after work was worth it. You spend your whole week grinding for someone else's goals, building someone else's goals. Let me tell you what, when you do that, you're showing where your priorities lie. I'm not saying it's bad to work for someone else, but I'm saying it's bad if that's your only thing you want to do. Come back in 30, 40 years and see what you've built. Even for those of you who have social media, who are just building a following for no reason, get to the age where you're 40 and all you'll see is you grew a large social media following. You never did anything with it. You didn't really expand on it. You didn't really start using it to your advantage to maybe create some income sources, to do something better for yourself. Get to those points and you realize, wow, I wasted so much time. Get to the point where you're always longing every year for 1, 2, 3 vacations in a year. Not being able to go whenever you want. Having to always be on a job. I mean, if you love your job, then, these kind of things I'm saying don't really apply to you. But if you don't look forward to it, you don't enjoy it, you want to do something different, you don't have a nice feeling every day of the week, then you might need to start changing something. And that's what I'm saying. The rich get richer because they do these things. It seems boring. It doesn't seem fun. It doesn't seem cool. That's what society's made us to think. But I tell you what, being 30, 40 years old and being completely free, financially free, living on yachts, going on holidays whenever you want, still making money, enjoying your best life, meeting new people, seeing new sights, tasting new cultures, tasting new food, trying things out, seeing new experiences. I tell you what, that sounds pretty cool to me. But of course, in today's society, it's all about the here and now. Not remembering that there's a lot more to life than this. Life can be very long sometimes. So you gotta be smart with your decisions. Don't work 50, 60 years just so you can retire and live well for 5 to 10 years. Why not live well for 30, 40 years? And, struggle, grind, work hard, put in the hours for 4 or 5, maybe even a few more years longer. That's what I want to do at least. Everyone's different. So this channel is for high aspiring people with big goals, big dreams, who want to achieve a lot in their life, who want to accomplish a lot, who have great targets. So the things I'm saying are more relevant to you than the people who don't have high aspirations, who are not really ambitious. Everyone is different, but I'm just telling you guys. Today is Sunday. What are you going to do today to make sure that you can become rich and continue to get richer? Remember, the rich, they become rich and they stay rich. They get richer. They don't get rich and then go broke. There are a lot of people who do that, but those are not the real rich. Those are the people who just got lucky or, are flashy, too flashy, not very smart. The intelligent rich become rich, they stay in that rich zone and they become, more wealthy, more income streams, more money, more time, more financial freedom, and a happier lifestyle. That's what we're all looking for. That's the goal, that's the dream. So that means make sure you guys are putting in that time on the weekends, those weekends you don't want to work. This is just a reminder for you guys. Make sure you guys do it. So tomorrow is Monday Motivation. Make sure you guys are back here for that one. We'll be talking about blessings, how you are blessed. So make sure you guys are back here for that one. Like I always say, check out all links in the description. You guys know what it is. First link in the description, guide to online business. We've got time gear, we've got affiliate marketing, we've got cryptocurrency, we've got stocks. Go check it all out. You guys want to become rich? Put in the time, put in the effort, work hard, and make it happen. Thanks a lot for watching today's video, guys. That's for today. I got what you're making. You got riches to be chasing. See you guys tomorrow for Monday Motivation. Peace.